Here's a quick update on the trekking deal. This is the wheel. The wheel will be bolted onto this like that. Okay, so this will be bolted on and this will be pinned. I've got the holes already drilled in it there. I'll drill some matching holes through it and that'll be pinned so that it will swivel right here. And then this screw goes through there into the block and we'll slide the block this direction. This little arm will go here in the slot and right there. So then when the block moves forward, the wheel will tilt. When the block moves backwards, the wheel will tilt that direction. That way, what I'm working to get away from is having it so that when the wheel tilts, that it actually raises the wheel, and that when I'm running this rigid tensioner, see, this doesn't spring when it gets into place. It goes up into position and holds tight. And so this is good. This is all right for a gas spring or a regular spring, but it's not working out as good as I wanted for the actuator for a rigid system. So what will happen then is the wheel will pivot on a point through the center of the wheel instead of through a point over here. This pivot point is going to be in the center of that wheel, and it will just rotate right there around that point without raising or lowering the wheel. And that way we should be completely separated on tension and tracking. I should be able to make tracking adjustments without causing the tension to increase or decrease. And that's the goal there.